And here's your pasta. And if there's anything else I can do for you, you just let me know. Thank you. Bland. Very bland. You see that? Overcooked pasta. And the sauce is just salty. I wouldn't feed this to my dog. They call this pasta. They should be embarrassed. Who is he talking to?